In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubstaff as an employee. Start by opening your browser and heading to Hubstaff's website. This is where you'll access the time tracking and productivity tools your company uses. If you were invited by your organization, use the same account you set up from that invite so your time connects to the right team and projects. On the sign-in page, enter your work email, then your password, and sign in. Some organizations use single sign-on, so you might be redirected to your company login page. Just follow the prompts. If you can't remember your password, use the reset option. And if your company requires two-factor authentication, have your code ready to complete the sign-in. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Think of this as your home base. You'll see your recent hours, activity summaries, and shortcuts to the areas you'll use most. Take a moment to scan what's displayed so you know where you stand for the day or week, and use the navigation to jump to any section you need. Next, open timesheets. Here you can review your recorded time by day or week, make edits if your team allows it, and add notes to clarify what you worked on. Notes are especially helpful for approvals, giving your manager quick context. Before your pay period ends, confirm your entries are accurate and complete, then follow your organization's process for submitting or marking them ready for approval. Head over to Activity to see what Hubstaff captured while you were working, such as screenshots, app usage, and visited URLs, features your company may configure differently. Use this view to verify your time reflects real work and to spot gaps, like an idle stretch you might need to explain or correct on your timesheet. It's also a good place to make sure you're on the right project during focused work. Check insights to understand patterns over time. You'll see highlights and trends that can help you spot your most productive hours or tasks that tend to run long. This is great prep for one-on-ones or planning your upcoming week. If your team uses locations, you'll see a map and job sites. This is common for field roles. When enabled, Hubstaff associates your time with specific sites, so schedules, travel, and on-site work are clear. Keep your device permissions accurate to ensure reliable location tracking. Finally, explore project management. Choose the correct project when logging time and reference to-dos to align with priorities. Clients help categorize work so reports and billings stay clean. That's the core workflow. Review your dashboard regularly, keep timesheets tidy, and use activity and insights to stay accurate and improve how you plan your